Hey, how are you? Ready to come home to a clean, fresh-smelling house? Let me tell you what's included in a regular cleaning with Brilliance Cleaning service. We take care of dusting fans, doors, windows, and baseboards. Making the beds, if clean sheets are provided. Scrubbing and sanitizing bathrooms. Vacuuming and mopping all floors. Cleaning the microwave inside and out. Wiping down the exterior of the fridge, stove, and cabinets. Need more? We also offer add-ons like laundry, organizing, dishwashing, oven or fridge interior cleaning, carpet or garage cleaning, furniture moving, window glass cleaning, outdoor areas. Tip, if possible, set your AC to 70 degrees Fahrenheit before we arrive, it helps a lot during cleaning. You can book weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly sessions. Just note, if it's been more than 30 days, we'll need to start with a deep clean. Questions? We're always here to help. Your clean home is just one message away. Contact Brilliance Cleaning Service today.